I have attended Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's practice management workshop last year, and it was an online webinar workshop, and it was one of the best, in fact, the best workshop that I have ever attended online. Dr. Bhavdeep is very practical, points that he gives you, and he gives you so much more than what he normally tells you that he will give you. For example, if it's a 3-day workshop, you will get a lot more than a 3-day workshop. You'll get assistance as well. There are one-to-one sessions also which he gives. So the dedication and the sincerity is amazingly good, and I'll recommend it to anyone who would like to elevate his practice. So I have learned really good points. Sometimes I still watch his YouTube videos on practice management, which helps me to stay in the flow. Thank you, Bhavdi sir, for what you had done to us last year. Thank you. Bye bye.